With this product that the top seller are making roughly about $9,000 per month, that is roughly about $90 to $100,000 per year. Roughly the profit could be easily $30,000. Welcome back, Shifu Warrior, and welcome back to another video. In today's video, I would love to share with you 3 things. The first thing is that we're going to celebrate our student success together. He have found his first winning product, and that product right now is doing about $9,000 per month on Amazon, $90,000 per year plus. And the top seller only have about 97 reviews. And why I'm sharing this with you, because a lot of people, they approach Amazon as something is super hard. But in reality, let me share with you one thing, is that it's all about probability. Just like a 9-to-5 job, if you see someone that making money with very junior level, you know that your shot gonna be a lot higher. So in the market that we usually help our student find, because there's millions of products, and most people, they get stuck because there's so much and they don't have a railroad or criteria. But with our student, we help them find the first product, and we help them validate it, and we also help them understand the thought process behind, so that you don't just learn how to fish for once, but you're gonna learn how to fish for life. And in this case, you can learn to find the right product and build it for generation. Okay. The second part of this video is how we're gonna help him prepare, and we're gonna share with you some tips as well, so that you can, let's say you already found your first product through my other video that I share, because my channel is very transparent, and I make this channel because I hope to share the knowledge with you guys, because I know there's a lot of misinformation out there. And for me, I built and sold multiple Amazon brands, doing it for over 7 years now, and that's why I'm making this channel for you, completely free game. Okay. And I do have a workshop that you can also join, where you can conversate with me directly and learn directly from me. Link down in the video description, okay? But we're gonna drop some tips on how to source and how to find the right manufacturers. We have another video that will show you how to find the right manufacturer as well. If you cannot find it, drop in a comment. I'm gonna send you that one. But yeah, and the last step is pretty much the mindset. How mindset would influence your decision as a business owner, because most of us here, we have a 9-to-5 mindset approaching a business. So that's why we're going to break it down. I do have a video talking about mindset that you can also get to. Comment down the word mindset if you want a copy of it. But long story short, let's hop into the videos and let's learn. Congrats on finding your first product. So here's the few potential that I want to go through with you one more time so you understand. Now, number one, this product, the top seller, doesn't have a lot of reviews, so it's a lot of room for us to compete. Okay. And the second thing is, after you input the product cost, just like a rough average, like $7, and this product is selling for $39.99, so you are left with about, after Amazon fee, because you have to pay their fee so they can store the product, ship the product, and customer service, you are left with about $26 to $27. That is about 50% margin. That's a good margin before marketing. Really high. Yeah, that's decent. And the reason why it's high, because the market that you found is a niche market, and it's not too competitive. And that's the key to help you to get your foot wet. Most people, they are selecting very competitive market to enter as a beginner. That's why most of them catch themselves failing or could not complete the journey. But yeah, this is going to be a great product for you as a beginner. Great job, bro. All right. How do you feel about learning from my classes? Do you now adopting my thought process?
Oh, yes, definitely. Like you say, like helping people. We're not here to make money. We're here to help people out. You're very transparent. I like it how you like it's not boring. It's like you telling your life story too, and we can implement it too. Just like me, the Lunar New Year day when I got a scratch on my car. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, everybody's going to do something. Like, every day is not a perfect day. And I like it that you, like, transparent. Like, you don't have good days and you don't have bad days. So that's what I like about it, too. And then I learned that, yeah, like, even implementing the like, sleeping early and then going there, I've been doing that. Like, this has been, like, 2 weeks, but, like, I've been just trial and error. Sometimes I sleep at 11, sometimes I sleep at 12, but I try to aim at 10 o'clock. But I've been waking up always on the dot, 6 o'clock. And then I make sure I wake up, drink water, don't touch the phone, don't touch the phone at all. I drank my whole Stanley Cup. I drank all of it. Then I go pee. And after that, I go freshen up a little bit. Then I weigh myself. Then I can get on the treadmill. Then after that, I start my day. Then I'll try to time block at least like 10 or 20 minutes before I go to work on my Amazon business as well. And even like on the way to work, I'll listen to the modules too. I would listen to music no more. I listen to music every now and then, but like I'll try to tune in on the modules every time. Just like feed my brain every time.
Awesome.
You know?
Would you say that this program changed the way that you approach life personally, mentally, and also business wise?
Yes, because you need to have a routine. Having a routine sets your life for success, like you say. Like you don't have a routine. Like you wake up every day, you're feeling groggy. You wake up, and then you don't feel good because you don't set a routine. Because you wake up and then you go shower, then you go straight to work. But you're not feeding your mind. You have to feed your mind with like very entrepreneur. You gotta be an entrepreneur. You're like, why are we in this business? Why are we doing it? We're doing it for our family. We're doing it for everything that we have online, our bloodline. So also when I learned about this program, is also having a why. Okay, why do I wake up to have a routine? Why do I do this? That's the reason why. You know? Okay, I need to implement that in my life. So that definitely changed my routine and how I move in my life for 2026 as well.
Awesome. What about the Amazon knowledge? Do you feel like now you understand how Amazon game works and how to play along?
Yes, sir.
What are the before that you didn't know, and what are the now that you know about Amazon?
Before, I didn't know about the niches. So the big thing I need to know about is the niche, what I'm getting into, and then why we're selling it, and then like having the knowledge and learning everything as well. So having the modules and then like the classes, make sure to attend classes too. Not just like the modules, but making sure to stay accountable and then staying on the classes. So that's the thing I learned about like from this. Before I was like, okay, I need to learn more, but why I need to learn more? I need to start attending classes. I need to make sure that I have my classes done, and I need to have check-in. So that was the last year too, because I have a busy schedule, but I need to implement it every time. So that's why I make sure for the before and then after accountability. Accountability is key. So you need to keep yourself accountable, and then you need to take action. You need to do it. Let's say, oh, I'm busy, but you still need to put in even 1% every time. At least put it in. Like before, I'd be like, oh, I'm busy. Like we would have like times when we would not have our one-to-one call because I had obligations, but I need to make sure I need to keep it straight, and then also how to say no as well.
You're right. There you go, brother. I'm glad that you are not just a business owner, but you also adopting the mindset of a business owner. Good job, bro.
But yeah, I'm very excited, man. Like my perspective changed this year. Like I'm like, it's time to go. You know what I'm saying? Time to beast mode.
I'm super proud of you, and yeah, keep it up. Okay, remember your routine will be the foundation for your future to be built on, and don't stress yourself too hard that you have to be always great all the time. Just know that the bad day would always be there, but learn to pick up, learn to have a good routine. But yeah, you're doing a good job, bro.
But yeah, I've been implementing that breathing, man. I've been doing it. It's been very helpful. I work at the sushi shop, so I work in front of customers all the time. So I always make sure once I get to a cooler, I walk in. I go into the walk-in, right? So I go to the walk-in. I make sure I breathe a little bit, and after that, give them a good service.
Yeah.
So it's been really helpful.
And you learned that from the program too, right?
Yes, Chief. Yes, sir.
Congrats, once again, congrats on the products. And I would say right now, the next step is to learn from the module on how to source. Because,
Yes,
again, just dating. Right now, your next target are going to be like finding a good supplier that could supply you the product. Think of it as you're going to find a wife that will give birth to your future baby. So that's important to learn how to find a good one, learn how to deal with them, and learn how to, like, what is the definition of a good baby looks like for you. For example, like for this product, okay, I need my product to be around this, roughly about this pricing. So in the program, we have a list, okay? We have a list of the criteria you need to list out before you send it out to your manufacturer or the sourcing agent. Okay, and then you're gonna engage, sign a paper so that I can start the production, and you don't have to do like 1,000 of units. Okay, just do 200-300 units at first, so that you can only spend like roughly a couple like 2,000 to 3,000 on this product. With this product, roughly $6, right? 300 unit is 1,800. And let's say if you throw in some add-on, I'm just gonna round it to $2,000 in product cost, and you buy that rock bottom already. That's gonna be your next step of sourcing. And once you finish learning from the sourcing, start sourcing, we connect you with some of our supplier connection as well. So make sure that you check the connection that we put in the program, and just source, focus on that for the next 1 month. Product development, make sure you read the book, The Blue Ocean Strategy, and you can attend my class if you want me to assessing your bundle. And in the end, make sure you factor those bundle price into the calculator to make sure that we are having a good and healthy margin. And from there, place a bulk order. Whilst they do the production, we're gonna go into creating your storefront, your images, your listing. I'm not gonna go too far into it, but we're gonna have people to help you on that. Okay? We're gonna have a third-party service that would help you at a really good and affordable price, and you can outsource that so that you can learn about Amazon PPC, which is pay-per-click, so that you can preparing and launch your brand, adding a couple reviews and launch your brand. Okay, it's not hard. It's like learning a car, how to drive a car. It will be kind of anxious at first, but after you get used to it, you're gonna be the best at it. The first time you holding on a knife to get a sushi, like making sushi. Okay. All right, bro. Any other question? Everything clear?
Everything is clear. So number one, my action item, my locked in product is locked. Number two, March 2 and 3, apply knowledge from the WhatsApp link that you sent me, and apply the hotel card and Bank of America at the same day. And then number 3, consistency.
Yeah. So key focus right now, sourcing, learn and then source, and make sure you prepare your credit limits through all like the credit cards that I have recommended to you for the 0% interest. And once you learn and source, just making sure that you develop your product appealing enough, valuable enough, so when you bring it to the market, people love to buy it because you have better to offer compared to other people. So learn and then practice, and we can circle back in class on the next milestone when you place a book order. Okay, we're gonna help you understand the next step so that you don't feel overwhelmed. And that's the part about mentorship. You don't feel overwhelmed. You don't get throw like a bunch of courses like the guru and they have no support. You have the support that you need, and that's what help you get there.
And then for the Saturday, we have no classes this Saturday.
No classes Saturday, but next Saturday.
Yes, I know you sent me the schedule to it.
Yeah. Next Saturday we have class. All right, bro.
Next Saturday. It's cool.
All right, keep it up. You got it.
Thank you so much, Chifu, for your time today.
You too,
and
man.
your wisdom.
All right, guys. I hope that you get the inspiration from my student, and I hope to see you be successful one day as well. Okay. And we have a lot of people that want to work with us, but right now we are not a big team, and I only take a few students per month. So if you really want to have, number one, hands-on guidance, number two, saving a lot of your time, and number three, avoid a lot of costly mistakes. For example, most beginner, they get tricked by ordering $1,000 worth of unit by the manufacturer, but in reality, you only need like 200 to 300. Maybe the costs are slightly higher, but that's allow you to test the water. And there's a few more things that I put into different videos, like 7 way to work with your manufacturers to help you avoid costly mistake. So feel free to subscribe to the channel and check out more video. And if you want to work one-on-one with us, we do have a wait list for April now open. You can check the video description to learn more on how to work with us. And again, we hope to inspire you that selling on Amazon is possible. And every day people now are shopping on Amazon. The money is being made on Amazon. I've been helping people building and selling their brand. And there's a website called Empire Flippers where you can buy and sell Amazon brand as well. And I hope to inspire you that it's all possible and start with you and start selling on Amazon. Don't just spending money on Amazon, okay? Start making money with Amazon. And 1% better every single day. And I'll see you in the next video. Comment below if you have any question, and peace for now.